Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Zaima Ismail from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. It's our lecture number 5 of Computer Science for class 7. In our previous lecture, we have studied about memory, RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. Today's students' learning outcomes are expansion cards and expansion slots. At the end of this lecture, there will be an assignment for you. Open page number 9 of your book, Expansion Cards. An expansion card is a small circuit board. It gives a computer the capability to control a storage device, an input device, or an output device. Basic purpose of an expansion card is to enhance the capability of the computer. In this definition, there is a need to define some terms like expansion. In dictionary, the definition of expansion is defined as the act of getting bigger or something added onto something else. An example of an expansion is an extra 3 rooms built onto a house. In Urdu, we can say philao. So, expansion card is an extra device that is added to a computer. It is a small circuit board. As we have studied, motherboard is also a circuit board, but that is a main circuit board. But expansion card is a small circuit board. In lecture number 3, the definition of circuit board has been given. Expansion card gives a computer the capability. Capability means the power or ability to do something. So, expansion card gives power or ability to computer to control storage device, an input device, or an output device. Basic purpose of an expansion card is to enhance. Enhance means to increase. So the basic purpose of an expansion card is to increase the capability of the computer. So, in short, we can say that expansion cards are some extra devices. Those are attached to the computer to enhance the performance of the computer. There are 4 major types of expansion cards: sound card, graphics card, network interface card, and modem. So let's discuss them. Sound card. A sound card allows a computer to receive sound in digital form and reproduce it through speakers. Dear students, our computer cannot produce sound without sound cards because sound card converts digital signals into voice and also converts voice into digital form. You should know that all type of data inside computer is in digital form. So when we enter voice into computer with the help of microphone, sound card converts this voice into digital form and then reproduce this digital form into voice that we can hear through speakers. Students, basically sound cards are embedded or fixed to the motherboard, but the sound of those sound cards is not good enough. So if you want a high quality sound in your computer, then you will use external sound cards as an expansion card. This is the image of sound card. Speakers, headphone and microphones are attached here in these ports of sound card. Graphics card. A graphics card enables a computer to display output images on the monitor screen. A graphics card is a piece of computer hardware that produces the images you can see on a monitor. We just need a graphics card if we want high quality graphics. Same like external sound card, external graphics card is not compulsory for our computer, but if we want high quality graphics, then we will use external graphics card as an expansion card. This is the image of graphics card. Monitor is attached here in this port of the graphics card, as you can see in this diagram. Network interface card. A network interface card enables a computer to connect and communicate with other computers. So we need network interface card for our computer only if we want to connect our computer with a network. This is network interface card and network cable is attached here. Modem. Modem is used to transmit digital data over telephones, wires. Usually, it is used for dial-up internet connections. Dear students, we have studied a lot about modems in 6th class and also in our previous lectures of 7th class. So we know that whenever we want to connect to the internet with the help of telephone wires, we need modem, and modem is also used for dial-up internet connections. This is the image of modem and telephone cable is attached here. Students, you know that there is two types of modem, internal modem and external modem. So here is a question for you. Which type of modem is placed inside system unit and used for dial-up internet connections? The answer will be given to you in the next lecture. Now open page number 10 of your book expansion slots. An expansion slot is a long narrow socket on the motherboard into which different expansion cards can be plugged in. In your book, in this diagram, these are long narrow sockets are called expansion slots, and in these slots different expansion cards can be plugged in. Let's explain expansion slots with the help of some other diagrams. Here is the close-up view of expansion slots, and in this diagram you can observe how an expansion card is attached to the expansion slot. This part of the expansion card is plugged into expansion slot, and this part of expansion card has its port that remains outside the system unit. There are three different types of expansion slots. ISA, Industry Standard Architecture. It is slow speed slot used for modems, rare to find in modern computers. This is the motherboard of a modern computer. In this motherboard, you cannot find ISA slot because it was a slow speed slot used for internal modems. So with the passage of time, this slot has been removed from the motherboard. PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect. It is faster in speed than ISA slot. It is used for sound cards, graphics cards, network interface cards, and modem. These are PCI slots: sound card, graphic card, network interface card, and modem are attached in these slots. AGP, Accelerated Graphic Port. It is high-speed slot used only for graphics or 3D graphic cards. This is AGP slot used only for 3D graphics card. Here you can see one more image of modern motherboard. Here you can observe different PCI slots and AGP slot. In today's assignment, you have to give the answer of these two questions. Write the names of major expansion cards and explain two of them. How many expansion slots are there in computer? Write their names. These are the instructions, and your answers should be to the point. No extra details are required. In the previous lecture, I asked a question from you. If someone says computer does not have enough memory, what does it mean? The answer is, it means your computer does not have enough RAM. Thanks for watching the video.